Child, we just survived Hurricane Helene. It's a tree that's down over there, and it's a tree in the back. It didn't do too much. What a blessings. Y'all see the white people over there.
How close to water her window.
Look at this damn tree.
Birds and all in here and everything.
Wow, I ain't never been this close to it. Oh my goodness. Big Bertha fell.
Big Bertha fell. Sorry, Mom.
Wow.
But she came from right here.
Yes. Oh, and she was huge.
Humongous. That's why we ain't got no power.
Look at this tree that don't fail. You can't even tell what's on the other side. Trying to get this camera, this hair mess. I just survived the hurricane. I survived it 7 days ago, but it was still survived. Hurricane Helene, whoever, honey. She came through here, South Carolina, and she treated us like we was Charles. And we drug her out that goddamn house. And we was wearing her fashion. I ain't appreciate that. There's so many people over here at the at the laundromat. I could barely park. I'm over it. I want a wash machine. I want a wash machine at home. I'm having tooth issues. My hair a mess. But it could have been worse because North Carolina got smacked. Asheville, Lake Lure, absolutely smacked. Come on, I'm about to move. I'm about to move because I would not be walking my clothes all the way from over here to the damn door. It's not going to happen. I'm eating some sesame seed chicken, a sesame seed chicken plate. I ain't never been through nothing like this. I ain't never want to wish this on nobody. Me and my neighbor and my best friend, me and my neighbor, who is my best friend, and Vincent, it was just us three in the Fox. It wasn't too much tragedy around here, except for it was two firemen who died. A tree when they were going to help people. It was a father and son. That was the most tragic thing. It's like 100 and something odd people around the Carolinas, Tennessee, Georgia, Florida that has lost their life. North Carolina, y'all, it's climate change. I hate to have to put it on y'all. It's climate change. I used to always say South Carolina is one of those states where it never get hit by anything. We always get like the outliers. Like if it's a storm in Florida, we get the rain, we get the wind. If it's a storm that's on the coast of Georgia, we get the rain. We never have a hurricane hit us. But global warming is making storms bigger. They're lasting longer. They're spreading further. They're more deadly. It was so many mudslides in North Carolina. People's houses just being wiped away. Like, it's a tragedy. It's a travesty, a tragedy, and all of that. The most miserable thing for me was being hot, not having no AC. And then the second miserable thing for me was not being able to wash my tail. It took us a week to get power back. I'm talking about me and my neighbor. We had grilled all our food. We did all we could. We did everything we could, honey, to save our food. We slept in different houses, but every day we was together, cooking, trying to survive, eating, trying to survive, laughing, trying to survive. And In my hometown, my mom just got power today. It's literally been 9 days and my mama hasn't had any power in her house. Could have been worse because 2 houses up the street from my mama, a house literally has a tree resting in it. It's literally smushed to pieces, smashed, smushed, slammed to pieces. So she fine. I know she wanted a hot shower. Not only did we not have power at my house, we had no water. And a lot of people had water, didn't have power. My stepmama had water, didn't have power. My mama had water, I think, didn't have power. Because you can deal with power without having power for a little bit, but not taking a nice bath, hot bath. That's a different type of trauma. It's been 9 days since the storm. And I got so much clothes. Ooh, I'm about to move it in. Ooh, now I'm right in front of the door. Cause I'm not doing all that walking. I'm already hot and I ain't did nothing. I also need to go to the doctor about this hot thing, y'all. I think it's a hormone imbalance, child, or a goddamn thyroid issue. I be hot, literally hot. I be miserable, y'all. I be so hot all the time. On the bright side, I'm going to see Nicki Minaj in 5 days, and hopefully I feel all the way better then. Cause I like, it's like a sun, it's just like over here in my neck and in my face. It like, when I, like right here hurts, when I go like, that hurts. Like, it's a lot going on, and I'm just trying to live. These bitches is so good. But I'm about to go in here, start washing my clothes, guys. So this is a weekly, monthly vlog. Who knows when you're going to see this. I'm in the City Trends looking for clothes to wear to Nicki Minaj. And let me show you what I've seen so far. I love this pink, like with some jeans or skirts. I wish I had some boots to wear, but I'm gonna hold on to this. Good, how you doing? I need a large, but they look kind of small. You would say rummage? Lost souls? Okay, I'm gonna put this in my basket. This is also an option. It's a 2-piece, a bandana. Not bandana, a bandeau top with a skirt. This is cute. I'm in the City Trends because I'm in the country, honey. This is all we got. They also have it in this jean. I mean this army fatigue. This is cute. Will I spend this on an outfit that I'm probably gonna wear one time? I will. The orange isn't really my color. If they had pink, yes. Let's see what else. I really want a dress. Okay, blowout. This for grown people or little kids? This is cute too. Yeah, I need to be back here in the blowout section, girl. Who I think I am. What would I wear with this? If I was to get this, what would I wear with it? For Nicki. Oh God. Who is this? Are these random women? I think so. Oh, I ain't even showing y'all how they, y'all. I'm not a good vlogger. This is a cute little set for $7. And it's not going to be too hot, but it's not going to be cold. So this is cute. A little real red crop top, $4. I'm only looking for stuff to wear to Nicki. I don't need no other clothes right now. I say. That's what I say. These are cute. $3. $3. Those have finally made it to the clearance, and it is how much? Because I was looking at this, $17. It ain't my size though, so. Ooh, what is this? This is a medium dress for $7. And you know, nobody let you try on nothing no more. They want you to bring it back, but they try to hope that you don't bring it back because most people don't do returns. This is kind of cute.
These are $10 per.
Love that green.
And then these are just.
What you gonna those? What you gonna wear a lounge around? Cause they can be dressed up too.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like either or. And yeah, just one of them, like one like since I got to go back to the office. Just one to wear, just something quick to throw on. Find a little cute top.
Bitch, I know you hear me, feel me. These look luxurious to be in a city trends. Well, you know, a lot of things can look luxurious and be in a city trend, so I ain't even gonna say all that. I really didn't find nothing, you guys, because they just didn't have nothing that I really liked. I should have went to Greenwood. I might go to Greenwood tomorrow to find some boots. Tried my first time in the pop shelf, and they are impressing me. They having 50% off all their Halloween and Harvest stuff, and I got this. It's gonna be $4. They have a whole bunch of stuff over there. I love how this stuff is displayed. It's given like anthropology. Y'all, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. They $2 each. They can add up, but these are beautiful. Look at the black gunmetal. Look at the ladle. Love that. Classic silver. Look at the gold around the silver. That's cute. These are cute. These are cute. Look at this beautiful tray. Beautiful. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this candle. So who? Mm-hmm. Oh. How much is the oil?
I know Rod didn't go. He said he had to go to work.
Trying to find some boots.
Yeah, I'm all right. How you been?
For Nicki. Spirit Halloween down there.
I said
These are cute and they're on sale. But how many times would I wear these? Look at these for $50.
These yellow.
That's up your color scheme too.
Oh no, they green.
Found my Nicki boots. $10.
If she ain't Nicki fan, then it be
Deaf dumb, period. I ain't your son. You my motherfucking stepson. It ain't the state fair, honey, but
it's soft.
and it's hot, girl. It's 90 degrees. They say it's gonna be 90 degrees, and guess what? It's 90.
95.
Ooh. We trying to be cute though.
I'm scared of the tapioca.
Well, I would say that it's not like a food, it's like a combination.
Okay.
But this one's more like
What is the tapioca?
it's really based off your drink. So like if you do something that's like a coffee type, it'll soak that up and it'll taste more like
I'm getting ready to go see Nicki Minaj. I'm getting ready. This is my wig that I gotta figure out, am I gonna cut or keep long? What you guys think? I got a whole nother vlog that's coming for that. And I also want to show y'all this man washing clothes outside when I just washed clothes yesterday. Somebody help me. Jesus, help me, Jesus.
Okay, well, the only free bedroom is my ex-wife's, which is strictly off limits. She locks the door and takes the handle home with her. All right, you can have my bed.
Ooh, honey, we about to do a little bit of sewing. I haven't sewn in a long time. And the last time I was at the thrift store, not the last time y'all saw, I picked up this fabric. See that? Beautiful. It's very Palm Beach. And I'm gonna make me, I don't know how many pillows out of it, because that's all I make is pillows. And that's all I got for you. I'm gonna cut this out and then y'all just gonna watch me sew. This is gonna be the end of the video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. My Instagram will be down below, and I will see you guys on my next one. Oh, and make sure you go and watch my living room makeover. I would really appreciate that. I will also link that somewhere on the screen.